Bobi and Shahonko. We hear to me and Chichiriwa. Come on to me and better. Yes, I had the four. Nami who say, I know, I am one of them. Me who say, I know, I am one of them. Me who say, I know, I am one of them. Me who say, I know, I am one of them. Nami who say, I know, I am one of them. Me who say, I know, I am one of them. Me who say, I know, I am one of them. Me who say, I know, I am one of them. Can't can see baby, I know one of them. That's by CK, I know one of them. Canadian Japan CK, I know one of them. As I'm waiting CK, I know one of them. Dr. Isaac CK, I know one of them. Emmanuel Kusi CK, I know one of them. If you work so hard in it, you can be what you wanna be. If you say I am one of them. If you work so hard in it, you can be what you wanna be. If you say I am one of them. KOB music.
Anyumre we yire wo ho a. I am Mademba. I am Mademba. I was out yire wo ho. Now titi wo nyantuma no. I was out kentre wo ho. Now fras yes wo ye bibi. Ya magana de shima manyina jo. Apoya mantamu. Achima de sia no mo. Ya mamunyina majo. Ade ba enkan 93.3 FM kasa vidieta trateso. Wey, ane kasa vidia. Ubowra mu apoya mantamu a. Wasom se twetwe. Wage atum. Esansan ya mapanko a. Ya ba onyom, ye tufo, ye show cry, ya chira okwan no. Bibia wombi. Anyumna no so abo apa ho simano enwotwe.
You can be what you wanna be. If you say
Said the onim dada no, I said Drew Fiada say ya. Aye Abrempong Anamom Tuo dwumade ne de besom wo. Etinanso ya trase. Dwumade iso atitru ne ani ntini. Ana wonum ka mabrabo mu nsam ede kire ye ne. Said ya beya. Aja hunso obi da ne Benz bus mu ekwa. Wani nkanchin mu. Esan se wo brei ene onya ye. Eti diachi our Facebook enhwani mu krata memem na ne amde ama no Ayankan 93.3 FM Uya woso bia YouTube no ani je ho eti on so kwa Ayankan 93.3 FM Obo se ye dem Twitter so ye bia ho na ubetimi so atie yen afa aye www.ayankanfmonline.com www.ayankanfmonline.com e wonu borua ma wo se edem ati se de wutie kasa fidie na pepepe
so here mu pa ya wo
enti se de wunimu no enanso so aya opanyini we kra ye oba apanyini yanka ne sa onyini bebre nanso so abrabɔ ne mu de wanyini pa ana ene wono so etunu wasi o se woni ye beka na abrabɔ mu ensem ede akyere yen na dwumadie se de wunim no Odi-Ahenkan Kwame Yeboah wono ana dwumadie no esi ne nan eso odi wono ana dwumadi no esi naso na afen so no Abrempong ne Kofi Mensa enso aprapra kire enti ye de kwa ahimfi a beka seja ono no eye otutena ni si wahu ana me so me ye tia me naja nana eyo enso so ewo fie anom Kwame Asante eka ho bi wono na de ya gu social media handles ni nyina Facebook YouTube komotwetwe ni nyina no ubetimi abon wani akohoma enso so ewo honom na enche ye tie sima ne sa ene de wono so ene yen ebeche na brabo mu ensem yi eye obi a ye beka ne se eba ne sinitwam a anase movie industry ni mu a wawidiri mu pa na abasobode enso de wasese bebrede aguni metri so na eba no se yankasa okasa fonyini esonso a woya de TV presenter eno so otwamu bi na osanso so kura esa twetwere nyom na sisiam no okasa de okọ despite media ewo krabopuni mantama UTV entertainment show pa agidin agene ho jeni na ene adehye meduru a momfani agrokora wono ene host to UTV United Show based ono ena host to sa dwumadie no United Show based ano ne host eno ne din ade Felicity ama Ajiman edin a shada kramuna mu no dodo na boni din ese nana ama Mcbrown ono ene nei Odi-Ahenkan Kwame Yeboah apapa mu jene na woji afiafia bia mu watimi adosodoso mu ansa akamami a enei wono no eba bebo nkomo na waka na brabo mu sem ede akire yen ye nche ho ye tie simu ansa na afi nkomo twetwe no enso afiase etidi achi Facebook ebiem Ahenkan 93.3 FM de ubetimi anya akonya no ahwe nkomodi de omuye no nyina no omoda so na obo ani akohoma YouTube so sa ye so ye nya akonya no ye de no ene se ebechimi akasa video na ato Ahenkan 93.3 FM ana bibia wo bi achichi ni benche ne so ye de ne se ebekọ Ahenkan www.ahenkanfmonline.com abe fonten no eso ebra no so a wo de ewo mu bebre wo akonya eso so bowura mu na so wo de waden kira de wo so asua no so edeba eti ebra no so a mabie akonya ne de atom titwa number no to Vodafone no 0201 944 485 0201 944 485 ana MTN no so 0554 820 910 0554 820-910. Also betimi a voice note and also betimi a send a text message. So the affair WhatsApp line no so and also so you have voice note in the amount if you can come message so at the amount 0594 841 044. Emubiano yedidi ejuma and you see adie yaya krado yetiesim Odi-Ahenkan Kwame Yeboah Odi killer abubonua wane nana ama Mcbrown the international ebano sinitwamu dia oya ade pa na one no anadi ahyiamu yenko na yenkodi nkomo no emra
ka kire me ho se daachi meye ni petitiru meyire me ho abobra pa aye bibi sonko abaye Abrempong daachi na won so mo akwada wonyini obeto kan wonama na obisa kwababo enti tie Abrempong Anamom Tuo ye dwumadi a ye de aba Ahenkan 93.3 FM so efiada bia anwumre no so kwasi no nwotwe Odi-Ahenkan Kwame Yeboah ani ni petitiru ni pa kase a wo mo ye bibi papa gidi abaye titiru Abrempong na enu nti wo bia pe o mabrabo mu nsamatie no betwetwe komo ebi ti se mpanimfu a o mabedi o man so pen mrahye bedwafo akuafo ensentwafo akase asofo magidi nom abetwetwe nkomo Abrempong Anamom Tuo ebehye mebunu nkran hye mebunu den se daachi obetimi aye kase abaye Abrempong enti hye nso Ahenkan 93.3 FM so efiada bia nwumra no so kosi no nwotwe Odi-Ahenkan Kwame Yeboah akwadare so awahunu ne nsa hohoro nti wane mpanimfo to nsadedie no wono no wotena dwam Abrempong Anamom Tuo yenam sa dwumadie so behye mebunu nkran hye mebunu den se wonyini won no mo bra papa na daachi wobaye nipa kase wobaba abaye Abrempong kai Ahenkan 93.3 FM so efiada bia anwumra no so kosi anwumra no nwotwe
Adishma mai mawakwa baba Ahenkan 93.3 FM achimabo the best in the east dwumadi ya today say Abrempong Anamom Tuo dwumadi ya de som ye tifo ne adehye wo achim da ma so akoso subu abernasi kotokom chiawisa aboadua asusu kade akwatia enehe takurase enumre ye ba ya yenanti se nya tititia mpanifo se sabe titi obi ka titi obi kire obi nim so a obi kire Yaba ye nua ba Ghana fo nyina de hye kronkron Nana ama Mcbrown. Oyo bi a yenim se mfa no business woman no. So obi o yisi new, so obi o radio, so obi o television. Yenim se de yensi mo ne tofa. Na ono so hyase kakra ana dom arakwa. Nyankopɔ de na du baabi a wadu. Abrempong Anamom Tuo live on your super duper radio station. Ahenkan 93.3. Ene numri yewe ngokoni anum drink va Yaba Mcbrown ajusu. Mame, metia o.
Mira.
Yenya ni ajumie.
We am kasa 4 plots.
4 plots me jaw maden.
Obesa ma komfo ne menyan so sa na asam ne tie.
Sesen. 4 plots de so ka hon ka hwe.
We am ka 4.
E bia waja asase bi o eyi.
Na no aka se okrom. Una kan se okrom nso okrom de it is a 4 plots.
Me Kwame Yeboah.
Odi-Ahenkan.
Oh, Mcbrown.
Me kan se me free assume no.
That's right.
And now kan se achinkon no bremu na nanam se ai. And I say and you ho de ho so chen me ho.
And I'm saying.
And I so ho so chen me ho. And I'm so okay. What do you mean by that? No, so me krom de so papa. I mean, what me ko share. At least to say 4 plots.
When it can't say
oh, Odi-Ahenkan so. Ai ni pem. Odi-Ahenkan. Me ba radio so.
But you no dance ni be no.
Ghana for nyina em.
Okay, what na o grandma me.
Ghana for nyina em dance why. I don't dey pizza from BI em dance ni.
Mate, e wi say dey say Yesu kra yi ni ma.
Nti na dey me mama o dey ye ni nkomo se fi.
Ni nkomo se fi.
Ahenkwa achenkwa no bremu na na ye hia. Na
enu kra say o yo chini.
Mpacho me papa free siom.
Achimesu.
Yes.
I benkedi.
Na
ta kokru.
Pacho ani.
Sa.
This year mako twice.
To ya chenkwa na onum bremu.
Me pacho me di ade.
Odi ade. Akonya ben.
What I mean say me num bremu to me this year.
Sa. Omo num bremu nya ya this year.
Na you free one
no by force. Yo.
Odi say we dey bia wo so mpe.
Me dey me ga do kan na sensenfo a set titubi ka titubi chire. We na mavode ni bia akono de.
Ni e we nam.
Nam de wewe.
Chicken me ko fa come.
Awoko video na ze awrofo de ma menyi ni sire no.
Oh.
Nam de wewe we kese preko. Video. Tesum oba na chi ana be ma na chi.
Oba na chi.
Na bebe.
Ahenkan FM.
Odi-Ahenkan.
Mame.
Enya na ejimi. Wow. Many I just say Wabafi.
Me da sese wa jemis. Dedi kan no. Seven period se nyi ni penya kwa na ma kwan se brani fie na ni medi nkomo. Nti so ama me kwan kwa se me mbre fie ne mo abrabo mu nkomo kakra no. Mani so. Ti me gina Ahenkan FM so na ma dawase. Ne ama mo ni adwuma pa won so ye. Eso mo man Ghana. Ba yenso no nse nkoko etachi ofia de.
So to here.
Bonu me bi amefa.
Akwa na wa.
Bangs wa kwa so menya bi awente me tu petraba.
Only problem. Me chekra ba na na mpinsa.
No. Abrabo mo tse.
Odi-Ahenkan. Me de bia me ka say. The try na de ache me perade ne medini.
Amen.
Because ye won nyina na ye da. Mfa nya hwe. Nti se uni nkwa uni bibia. Nti ababo mu de as I sit here with you, me de nyame ase eye kama.
Amen. Na ye ka se na na Mcbrown. Ono ni hwan we ye hwan ni pesu ni pa ben no.
Odi-Ahenkan me see.
Kana ka biem.
Na Mcbrown de. And then na me ko salon ko ye me hu ye kaka wa wo hwe kales na ye fresh.
What fresh.
Na mko ye me hu ye na lady biba no say na I've been watching you since I was young. Na say Satan na mfere ade. Ntina we jare papa ano. And na de me nya so do ya what na me stop na say na who I am is not new to Mfafofro. Me a Ghana ni ba. Me ma me fi Asante ene bono.
Okay.
Me ma me fi kwada so Kumase.
Okay.
Ana doma tinkro Kumase ba me nyini me kura bram nyina fi Kumase.
Okay.
Ana me suku ni akwantu me ma me yetuba nkan kakra na ye side ko Kumase nti basically me Ghana ni ba.
Wonderful.
Me free kwada so achim ane bono. But do na who semi Kumasi ni like
Asante leta edi hu se ofri. Oh okay. Sisi a yenim yenka so you obi a oyisine. Yenka so you obi a we media practitioner and yen describe us saying ye person your board tofa yenka ne saying.
Yeah, Odi-Ahenkan.
Yes nana.
Baby she was nana, do you know that the whole factory? You know what I'm saying? I know. I'm the machine. The man is here. Na nyame Odi-Ahenkan, you see, me started about na me baby am wiempo. Me I'm one of the confused young girls almost started about
because confused that person say.
When I was young, I was confused. Once a man go school na in Drechi. Into do baby no na akwa to say me hu ne me to kwan me ko America nyina buy. But no me I am sending me catchy me am person me ball anye ye. Makokwan so pen
footballer
na me bobo abi bata fabulous ladies
na go
na gapo ladies so kakra
me na okay
me community 3
wow
me community 3 me bo gapo na me ko training
na bo position be
number 7
wonderful
na me dwane pa
wo yi cross na neba
na me dwane pa
wow
me right na me nyobi a me ball left but me right
in the neck apa
Odi-Ahenkan me to
onyo sa una okro
na me kro na anye ya ma me no you see I say fitting kwabo nwa me hu say metumi ayi bibi but minima de kro
okay
and me go school kakra me we JSS me go SS first year na but anye yin am jai if it was no me de me go to school bi mu college of business studies and so cry me we no I say na say uti fi ayi bi say na wan go school ntina me go school no ba na me nyam ko yo the 2 years me we no certificate ma man kwaje
wow
right na me nyo bi a me ball left
asa school na kaza nyawa kuma bi na de ko bi sa pressure free
I fear ni ade we me cry me no so man fan so ndima bi I say everything kwa 2 years no I'm being shot at the school there. Okay. I am cancer type because you are ASDF. And then me yeah the any certificates where they no any type and then my courses here. And you know me we na man koje it was like I was confused. I did a whole lot of things. Do it na me business kaka. Do na me kokwan so do it till send me to kwine na me buy. Till me buy no my confused. Because me call impone ni kwanza me buy. And I'm buying. To be buying, I'm saying, I'm crying bed, they may know say. I call America. To be buying, I'm saying, rather than bed. I don't know.
Mate.
It is not my confused if you said that. The share can this one, son. Like the radio, so the late call, I don't know, Catari
from the crazy.
Said they make a sign, kind radio. Say, Obi Timmy, Sana, 7 going. Or Cassari, so we better ask your uncle, Elizabeth, and I say Miracle Films. A Miracle Crave movie near Dinty. I took the direction and I followed it. And I'm the coin. Intino make Casamana basis to say, I want it.
That is the starting point.
Yes.
Not some Mr. Bissau. Now, all him dear fat so be open so trusting and I wouldn't him.
Debbie, we won't be cried. I just walk away. Yes, here they come out.
Tina, any training beer.
Debbie, but I am saying a fair.
What the announcement in radio so now you follow up.
Matia and Sam Alcochisi, Adi, Macco Shady also. Mamma who bear 1 year. Sanya, the announced say, Saban Chivin West to in the Matona, Mahunia, 2
quenicos.
And dear Chircoy, Macaw Miracle, have got 12 forms, I have 20 cities. We got 12 forms, no? The toy of the Beffin and Beff feeling, but me call Thursday. And I was lucky, on Sunday, they were having a meeting at Cultural Center.
Okay.
So the guy told me that Ome meeting at Cultural Center, the guy who was at the shop, and Sunday we follow up to the meeting. And meeting was like an open meeting, so they were it's a guild, and you can join anytime. So when I went, it was like newcomers here. Tibebine is new, so we listened to them. I listened to them, and I realized that the one here from Numaberry has our Scotswa. So at the end of the meeting, Miracle was like, okay, we are going to shoot this day, everything is set now. I want to blend the Kumasi people with more of Accra, so that gradually you learn on the field. And he was advising them. So I took some. So when he was like, oh, right now I probably have an actual costume. So
okay.
To say what do Ubeko radio.
There's a woman.
I want to say costumes. I don't know costume. No, what's costume?
I won't tell that.
Not many minutes, minimum. And what's costume? And I say, oh, somebody who's going to take care of costumes, you know. Now, but and I felt like I need to take this opportunity because I just say 8 months time, be no say I'm going to be with them throughout and learn something. After that, I'm somebody I feel like me somewhere in here. I don't know me pana. Me pen, me feel so whatever I mean nothing you say. Oh, you swimming over time can or you swimming a many so far, so it's okay. But I'm no use no so boom because I'm smart and I'm called. You know, my main caught first one, only 2 weeks. My main caught schedule more year. Say, I need dear me person me. I mean, and I'm take it up. However, now me there be a me chef farmer. Me who my me docuno na I did not more ne Pascaline with that time. I'm saying I didn't meet me, but it didn't ginger me that much till Nigerian market to be take you over that time.